Hello guys, in this video I want to introduce myself, to tell what I do. I want to introduce my work, and if that's relevant or interesting for you, I want to invite you to follow my channel and get all the advice, tips and much more. So my name is Yolanta. I love to sew and to create. I specialize in children's sewing, so my channel is about that. If you love to sew, if you love to sew for kids, if you have your own kids or your grandchildren, my channel could be interesting for you. So I specialize in children's special occasion clothes, such as birthday dresses, photo shoot dresses, kick smash clothing like rompers, fancy rompers, themed clothing, also christening clothing. I also sew toys for kids. I have my own kids, so they often ask me to make something, and of course I say yes. So if you're interested in children's clothes sewing, if you want to see and learn how these beautiful puffy dresses are made, I invite you to subscribe to my channel. I'm planning to share lots of useful tips and advice, talk about patterns, fabrics and everything that's related to it. And next you can see more of my work. Thank you. Bye bye. See you next time.